Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Val and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I did a little tutorial on how to get this super sleek bun for your type 4 natural hair. If you have type 4 natural hair, this will work for like any other natural hair, but specifically I use like tips and tricks that work for my type 4 hair. Anyway, yeah, so stay tuned to watch so stay tuned if you want to see how I achieved this look. Okay, so I'm actually doing this recording a couple days after I recorded this video. I had a couple personal things I was going through, but to start with this, I always start my hair on freshly washed detangled hair. Detangled hair is the key to a slick bun. Alright, so as you can see, I'm using the As I Am leave-in conditioner and I follow the LCO method. And this tends to work really well on my type of hair, and I really recommend it for low porosity type 4 natural hair. Okay, so now I'm taking my cream, which is the Eden Body Works Coconut Shea Cream, and this is the first time I've ever used this product, and when I do slick buns, I love a product that is thicker than a bowl of oatmeal and that is thick enough so I can feel like my hair is being moisturized even though it's in a style that I'm not constantly having to add moisture to. And then I take my regular olive oil, works great for my hair, love it, and that is my C and my O. Okay, so now I have the Extreme Wet Gel. This was the first time I'm using this product, and it had like a very perfumey smell, and I actually think it worked pretty well. Now, I don't think I would use it for a wash and go. As you can see in a little bit, it does start to clump a little bit, but right now I'm just raking the gel in and just smoothing it out, smoothing every strand with the gel, almost just like a wash, as if I was doing a wash and go. And then I would just, you know, just make sure all the product is thoroughly combined, and then I will slick it all down with my nice soft brush. Okay, so here all I'm doing is separating the two parts at the top, and I am doing a nice straight middle part. Also, I wanted to mention that having your hair parted into sections when doing this look is going to make it a heck of a lot easier for you. I'm telling you, section your hair before you start. Now here all I'm doing is re-wetting the hair to repeat the LCO method again onto the new side that I'm working with. Alright, so here it is, important step. Separate the hair from that top section. Usually the top is like a super hard section for me when doing my slick buns, so separating and then adding the gel to slick the hair down. Oh my goodness, this was one of the best tips that I've seen on natural hair videos and how to get this slick look. separating the hair. Oh my goodness, I'm telling you, it just works so well. Okay, so now after you've slicked it down, I'm just taking a hair tie and tying that up with the bottom half of the hair. And here, as you can see, I've just raked in the gel, and I'm going to slick that top part all the way down, and you can already see how slick this hairstyle is already about to be, okay? Slick. And again, that top part goes into a hair tie that ties into the bottom and the other part. And as you can see here, I'm just repeating the exact same steps onto the left side. And I start with separating, adding the gel. I had already repeated the LCO method, so now I'm just repeating the exact same process from the right and doing it onto the left. Alright, so here you can see that I actually didn't wrap the bottom of this side into the ponytail, but it actually ended up working out just fine, and I was able to take all of it and scoop it up and wrap all of it into one hair tie. Now look, okay, as you can tell, I am enjoying this a lot, okay, it is slick down, and now I'm just taking my little edge brush, trying to do my little baby hairs, and, you know, patting it down a little, making it slicker than ever. And I'm taking bobby pins, pinning it down, usually like some of the hair comes up a little bit, so I just take some pins, slick it down, pin her down, she is not moving. Okay, now this is how I make my little bun. I just take another hair tie and wrap it around the hair. Like, that's it, that's all I do. And then I'll take pins and pin it down. It's a little bit messy, but I really didn't care. I was going to a dance class, so I didn't care. But yeah, I'll just pin it down and kind of shape it. I'll shape it a little better if I want to go to like an event or something, or, you know, look really cute or whatever. But I just really didn't care that much. And now I'm taking my Gotta Be Glued because, look, I was not trying. This hairstyle was not leaving my head, okay? It was not going to go anywhere. Alright, so this is the finished look. Slick back bun, nice, tight, a little messy. Now all I'm doing is getting my scarf and putting that on my head to let, you know, this look set a little longer. I would actually wear it out just like this with the scarf because, look, that's still cute. And I just wrap it around, you know, make her tight, make it nice, good, awesome, great. And then I'll let this sit for about an hour if I plan on wearing it throughout the day, or longer, honestly. But yeah, that's it. That's the look. Okay, so that's the end of my video, and like I said, this is the end result. Super slick, super smooth. Excuse me. And yeah, if you want, like, I know girls that like they'll add like some hair or like make the bun a little bigger, which you can do all that. That's just like not what I do, especially because like I usually have this look for dance. So yeah, this is how I like to wear it. And it's super cute and it makes me feel really good and fun. And I hope my tips were clear enough for you to follow. And if you have any other suggestions of what you want to see from me, just let me know and I will gladly do them. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and share this video to your friends and your family, or whatever you want to do. I don't know. But yes, here it is again. Oh, my camera battery's about today. Okay, this is it. See you guys next time. Bye.